Welcome to our Grow Life channel. In today's episode, we will see how to grow OX gourd from seed. In this process, you can easily grow OX gourd in a container. Here you will see 40-day process with day-to-day update from seed germination to fruiting on a OX gourd plant. So let's begin. To plant OX gourd seed, at first you have to collect some seed. Take some seed and wait on water for 12 hours. After 12 hours, it's time to place the seeds on a paper towel. You can use tissue paper or a cotton cloth. Collect seed from water and place them on this cotton cloth. Try to maintain a simple spacing from seed to seed. Then fold it and put it in a airproof jar. It will take 3 to 4 days to germinate the seeds. In this time, add some water on this cloth, but don't do it too much. Let's see what happened after 3 days. That's the footage after 3 days. And you can see almost all the seeds are germinated. Now it's time to plant them on seedling pot. To plant OX gourd seed, you have to prepare some soil. For preparing soil, mix up 50% soil and 50% compost for better germination and growth rate. After preparing the soil, prepare some seedling pot and ensure there is drainage hole on these pots. Now let's plant the seeds. On the time of planting, you have to ensure that the rooted area of those seeds are under the soil and the surface of seed will be visible from upper side. Plantation is done, it's time to add some water and continue watering regularly. Let's see the situation after 4 to 5 days. This is day 5 and you can see all the seedlings are growing perfectly. In this period, you can plant them anywhere you want. On other hand, you can wait some time to plant a bigger size seedling of OX gourd. I wanna plant them on age of 12 days. So let's see how to plant OX gourd seed in a container. For fulfilling a container, you have to mix up 70% of regular soil and 30% of organic compost. Here I use a grow bed to grow some OX gourd seedlings. Actually 70% soil and 30% compost is a good ratio for a OX gourd plant. You don't need to use any chemical fertilizer if you want to grow them organically. After planting, ensure full sunlight in the area where you plant your OX gourd container. Then water regularly and ensure proper drainage. Let's see what happened after 18 days. That's the footage after 18 days. In this time, we have to add some support stand for our plant. use some wood stick or bamboo stick to do this task. Actually, that's the growing stage of waxguard plant. For this reason, you can add some fertilizer on your plant. If you wanna use chemical fertilizer, then use 1 teaspoon of urea and 1 teaspoon of potash fertilizer in this stage. On other hand, if you don't want to use any kind of chemical fertilizer, then you can add some organic compost on the soil. Avoid overwatering in this period because it may cause of root rot or dumping off. Let's see the situation after day 30. In day 30, our plant is already prepared to start fruiting and flowering. Waxguard don't like soggy soil, so avoid overwatering in this period. Don't water on the leaves. And that's the most perfect growing stage of waxguard plant. In this time, your plant will get multiply within every single week. For avoiding all kind of insect and fungal attack, use some pesticide to avoid pests and insects. You can use any kind of chemical pesticide to prevent pest attack. On other hand, if you want to use some organic pesticide, then you can also do it. The application process of pesticide and insecticide is interval of every 14 days. If you wanna use some organic pesticide, then you can use neem oil or garlic oil to prevent disease. These two items can able to prevent almost all kind of insects. On other hand, if you want to use a organic fungicide, then you can use wood ash, aloe vera or baking soda. All of those are good natural fungicides. Happy gardening and thanks for watching the full video.